found another insect. So, friendly insect. Say hello. That's it. This is his house.
Bigla ka nawala eh.
Sunday fun day. Di bale, may camera naman eh. Ayan na. Okay, giveaway tayo. Okay. Kasi na kayo. Ay nako, biking na lang natin. Kaya ba? Woo, burn! Grabe. Hirap. Woo. Hey, we're going to nursery, guys. Sunday fun day, the Witch Style channel. Nauna ako.
Dasal mo ata may mahulog.
Hindi, nagdadasal ko na makakuha natin sa movie para $1 million shots yung mga ganyan eh. Oh.
Medyo malakas ako. Medyo mabilis ko eh. Mabilis yung pag-ano mo.
Buti meron. Dapat naman. Whew, Sunday fun day. So we're here at the Lamesa, desalination, no, wrong. Chlorination, I don't know what it's called. I'll just post it later in the town for you to So I think this is the where they clean and process, put chlorine in the water so it can be drinkable. So nice. The place is so huge. So anyway guys, as you can see, so peaceful. Our trail riding today is very nice. The rain has stopped, so we are all dried up and ready to ride again once more. Anyway, to the With Style channel, Sunday Fun Day. I have nothing to say anymore. I'm still catching my breath. Too bad we have two casualties today, Chris and Joseph. At least they wear some armor, knee pads, so the injury inflicted was minimal. So, see you later. Sunday Fun Day, the With Style channel. Guys, look where am I? There's a small stream that we need to cross. Okay, so better be careful. The road is a little bit slippery, so use our bike as our leverage. Okay. Hey, nice. So I hope we are on the right track. Tawid. Lakad. O, gusto nyo dyan, ha? Kaya. Mababaw lang. Ayan, nauna pa sila kay Teo. Yan, mababaw.
Uncle, going for the kill.
Kaya. That's your face, eh.
Nice.
Uy! Lakas, oh.
Go, Ryan.
Nakatakot, ah.
Go. Diretso lang, diretso lang. Yan, tama yan. Nice.
Nice. Okay, so everybody got the shortcut except for me, but we have to wash our bike a little bit. Okay. Let's go. Dito. Okay lang. Basta makamera kayo, okay lang. Go! Forward! Nice. Si Joey nagpapauna para kanina pa. Okay, climb. Punch it. Oh. Okay. Relax. Welcome to Benguet Pine Rest Station. So these are imported from Benguet. So as you can see, guys, so nice. They built the rest station here for the bikers, and whew, there will still be more, guys. So stay tuned to the Whitstyle channel. Sunday Fun Day. We're going to see a bridge, a feature here in Lamesa Dam. So the gang are still catching up their breath, still eating. So this is a little bit dangerous, so you have to slow down and standing up, stand up. Oh yeah. Okay. Open the suspension. Ooh. Okay. Oh, this is the bridge. Okay. Pwede pa picture?
Opo.
Ready?
Doon po. Doon ka, dito ang bike mo. Safety ka.
Okay, thanks. Whew. That was close, guys. My cell phone almost fell down here and my stylus jumped out and oh, Thank you, Lord, again for protecting my belongings. Whew, that would be a very expensive mistake. My stylus almost fell, and then the cell phone almost dropped off from my neck. So anyway, next time we have to be careful again. So we're going home now, and the rain is catching up again. It's becoming very, very rainy. I hope I brought some dry shorts on my car so we can change. Whew. Anyway, see you later. Sunday Fun Day, the Wit Style channel. Whew. Woo! Sunday! Wow! Day! Whoa! Okay, stand up. Get the bike. Good job. Roll. Whoa! Okay, so they're gone so fast. But luckily, we will catch up later. We just have to take it slow and enjoy the show. Okay, see you later, guys. We've been through view deck already. So Sunday Fun Day, the Wit Style channel. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wit Style channel. See you later. Okay, so we got lost, and then we're going back straight to the parking lot na lang because I got carried away and joined a different group. So I did not know that they turned to some intersection, but it's alright. We'll just be na lang. Early to go home. Lapit na, guys. Konti na lang. Too bad we got separated from the group, but it's alright. I got lost. I was the last, and then I follow a different group that is on their way home. So I did not know that they will go to Tower 4 and 5. So Sunday Fun Day. See you next week on the Wit Style channel. Next week will be different route. We will surprise you what route we'll do next week. So see you later. Stay tuned to the Sunday Fun Day adventure of the Wit Style channel. See you next week. Woo! Last. Back. Okay. Whew. Okay, so home sweet home. Car sweet car. Whew. Okay. Okay guys, so Sunday Funday has finished and everybody's here enjoying their relaxation. So okay guys, so let's see you next week. I got lost nahiwalay ako sa junction, so ang nangyari sinundan ko yung ibang yung lumang guide natin na group. Kala ko papunta dun nahuli na ako liligpit hindi ko nakita, pero nag-ano pa kayo, Tower 5. Sayang hindi ko na alam kung nasaan na pero basta nakita ko parking to parking, yun na ang pinaka best shot. So anyway guys, thank you very much. Sunday Funday, the Wit Style channel. So this concludes our ride for Lamesa. It's a nice nursery, Benguet pines, and view deck while it's raining. So see you next week guys. Stay tuned to my channel, the Wit Style channel. Sunday Funday guys. Okay guys, so good morning. It's exactly 11:50. So okay, so it's still a good morning. We're early today because we experienced a lot of rain, so we rode faster because there's seldom rest. Besides the tower, the view deck is easy. It's raining, so it's not that hot, so it's not easy to get tired. Anyway guys, I almost lost my phone while drone shooting, so we have to be careful next time. And it's a good thing my stylus did not cut into the bridge. It was almost half of its body is in the air. So I cannot imagine. I hope you can imagine how it was. So it's just balancing like that. So it's a good thing Joey catch it in time. And so I think some telekinesis happened. Nobody moved, and the stylus and the cell phone did not fell in the water from the bridge, so it's pretty much exciting. So we took care today, and we did not have any accident. And the accident that might happen was a little bit expensive. My cell phone, like my cell phone. Anyway, it's a good thing. Everybody was also is all right. Joseph and Chris fell down. It's a good thing they take the necessary precaution to wear their knee pads, so the damage was considerably small. So next time, just take care guys. I know the trail is a little bit treacherous, so you will never know when and where the accident would happen. It would just creep out. And so thank you guys for watching. See you next week to the Wit Style channel. Sunday Funday.